Military surplus mess kits. There's a ton of different designs out there used by different armies, different philosophies of use, and just styles. And so we have a number of different cans here that we're going to take a look at. And many of them are from European countries. Some of them are traditional, some are different. Now, one of the things about a military surplus canteen is that it's proven. I mean, most of these have been used in military battle conditions and out in the field, used by soldiers. So first is they're tested, and they're usually very tough. I mean, they're durably made. And so that's a big plus. The second thing that I like is the price is usually right. None of these kits are over 20 bucks. In fact, many of them are half that. So this is just a great way to get a good, solid kit that you can depend on for a reasonable price. Now, one of the downsides is they are surplus, so sometimes they have some damage. Typically they do have certain smells or odors from storage. If you're willing to deal with it, these are great items to have, not only for camping, hiking, but also in a survival situation. Now, all these military surplus kits came from the Sportsman's Guide. Many of you know we have a top 40 Sensible Prepper page on the Sportsman's Guide. You just go and put in Sootch or Sensible Prepper in the search, and you'll come up with the top 40 items that we either recommend or that we're currently testing. And so this is just one of those that we're going to put together and show you guys some different things from around the world. Now, we're looking at 5 different mess kits. One from the US, we have one from Germany, one from Poland, from Italy, and also from Serbia, but Yugoslavia also uses these. And the first one we're going to check out is the US Mess Kit. This has been around for a long time, has a handle that comes across. There's a little bit of a tension spring right here that just kind of holds that into place. This doubles as your handle, and so it makes it a really easy way to get over a fire. And then we have the little tray, and this is a cover, but it's also a 2-compartment tray. And so that way you can separate, your meal, especially if you have, different things that kind of blend together. But this is a really cool little kit. These have been around for a long time and not currently issued to the U.S. military, but something that is definitely still very usable. Here we have this little very thin little pan. This is great for frying, cooking, for sauces, and things like that. Now, one of the things that comes with their canteen, which is not included with this, is one of your canteen cups. And this can be used for boiling water. It can be used for, a lot of making soup and a lot of other things. And this is just a great little item in itself. The canteen actually fits inside this, and it goes into the cover. And so it's just a complete unit. So all these kind of can fit together. But for this purpose here, we're only looking at the mess kit itself. And so this is, it's all aluminum. There are markings for the U.S. military right here. And 1966 is marked on this one. But, they have them, and these are in used condition, so in issued condition. So these, you can tell, these have been used. A couple of little dings and dents, but nothing that would keep you from being able to use this in the field. And man, if you're going to cook some bacon or some eggs, this would be perfect. And this kit on the Sportsman's Guide website is $17.99, and they also have a buying club that you can get things even at a deeper discount. But that's a great price for a U.S. military vintage official kit. Now, the next kit we're going to look at is the Italian kit. This is an older Italian kit. There are some others that are still surplus that are a little bit more like your German design, but this is one of the old vintage kits. And it's all aluminum. Of course, it does have, your catches here, and these are steel. Has a little handle with a crook in it, and that way you can put this over a fire. It's held down by these little handles that go over a little knob, and it's on either side, and then it just comes apart. Then you have a small cup. You have your larger canteen or mess kit bowl, I guess you would call it. And then we're going to pull this. Sometimes this aluminum can kind of gall a little bit to get these separated. And I'm going to show everything because I want you guys to see how they work. And then here is the other cup. So you have 2 cups, and then you have your larger bowl or cup to make soups, boil your water, whatever you want to do. And then you can eat out of these 2. Now, one of the things about these is there is some corrosion right here on these little handles. That can be easily cleaned up, and if you wanted to, even painted. or if you just like that as part of the mystique of a surplus kit. One of the things though, guys, is you're going to need to clean these kits once you get them, because you know they've been in storage for a long time and they definitely carry some odors, whether it's just cleaning materials or just being, again, just stored. But this is a cool little kit, really in good condition overall, except for these handles, which can be just cleaned up, but it doesn't take away from the usability. And then when you get ready to store it away, you just go ahead and everything kind of fits together in this kidney shape. So it kind of nests. We bring it down, bring it up, and we close it up. So cool vintage kit, very usable. These are the Italian, and they are $16.99 on the Sportsman's Guide website. And this is definitely a cool piece of history. Next is the German Mess Kit. This design has been around since around World War I, and definitely World War II. There's a lot of pictures of soldiers carrying these. I'm a big World War II history buff, and just remember these. In fact, there's a strap, a leather strap that goes through, and there are eyelets here that can accommodate that strap. And of course you could put a nylon strap or whatever, but they go through this to hold this together, and that way it can attach to your belt. And I believe the Germans originally used leather. This is the West German, from what I understand. They do make an East German that's almost exactly like it, and then they make the West German Police that's a little bit different. And you'll see a number of these styles from a number of different countries. So this same kind of style, but a little bit different in just certain aspects of the kit. This one in particular has never been issued. I mean, it is in mint condition, and it's in this green color. It does have the handle with the crook here, so you can place this over your fire. And then we have our handle, which just pops. It's a tension right here, just pops open. And then we can lift off our cup. Now the cup has the handle, which is part of the keeping all this together, and that way you can cook this over your fire. Then it has another cup that's fairly deep, but would be great for soup. And then you can hook it right here onto your handle, and then you have two pieces. So you can carry it, your meal this way, to wherever you want to go and sit down. And then of course you have your larger cup here to boil water and to do all the things that you need to do, soup, stews, things like that, you can make in this cup. And so this all just kind of fits together, and then when you get finished, it just nestles all together, and the shape is only one way, kidney shaped. Snap that into place and you're good to go. But these are really nice kits. And the price on the German kit runs $14.99. Next is the Polish kit. This looks very similar to the German kit. We're going to bring it over. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller than the German, not quite as deep, but still the same pretty much design. It does have the little crook right here where you can kind of sit that over your fire on some kind of stick or rod. And then, of course, we have our carry handle. And one of the things about this one is it was a little tight, which a lot of times that aluminum does gall a little bit, and it makes it a little tight fit. Go ahead and pull it open. But one of the things about this kit, and I'm going to show you, is that you also get two in this kit. It's two for $19.99. And I think one of the reasons why is because the second one was damaged a lot more than the first one. Both of them are definitely issued. This has some dents and scrapes and dings on it. This one is still usable, and we'll take another look at that in just a second. But kind of how this one functions, you have your little carry handle here, which doubles, of course, as your closure, and you can put different things in here. I think this one's a little bit deeper than the German, and then this one is a little bit more narrow. But again, soups and stews and water and things like that, and then you can put your meal right here, which makes it really nice. This is a lot more simpler, but definitely a neat design. And then of course it only goes together one way, like that, and then it snaps down, just like that. So just a cool little kit. And then of course the second one, I actually had to tighten this one up to get it to close. When it came in, it was a little bit bent, but it still works very well. There is a loop right here, so you could put something around this to be able to attach it. And then again, just open this up, and same thing inside, but you know, you can still use this for whatever you want to, even though it does have some damage to the top. So you get two kits for $19.95. I think that's or $19.99. I think that's still a great little price, and especially if you need to, that's just $10 a piece. So, you know, finding something that's tried and tested in military use, so these things you know are durable, for $10.99, that's a great price. Now, last but certainly not least is the Serbian Mess Kit. This is also the exact same kit that Yugoslavia uses, or has used. I'm fairly sure these are probably still used because this is a really cool kit. You got your canvas outer bag. You've got one of the old style military, US military little catches here, this brass. And then we open it up, and definitely different than the others. A little bit more modern. We have a top cover, and this is actually plastic. And then we have our handle right here that holds that onto place. So we lift that up. Again, that can be used as a cup, a larger cup. And then we can remove our canteen, which is pretty cool. And so it's a smaller cup here on your canteen, and then you've got a softer plastic here, kind of like the US military, kind of a little bit softer, and then the hard rigid cups here. And so it has a tether on the handle. And again, guys, you're gonna have to clean these up because they do have that surplus smell to them, which is not bad. Some of them are a little bit more than others, but tightens down, makes it nice. With the ridges in here, it makes it easy to be able to pull in and out of this container. And then you have your aluminum cup for cooking, and of course with the handle. And so that makes it really cool to be able to cook, be able to pull this off. And then if you have another dish, you can slip it over the handle like this, and you can carry your meal wherever you want to. So that's a really cool design. I think this is, out of a whole bunch, my favorite, just because of a lot more features, especially with the canteen. And so we just put it back in, take our cup, pop it over, just like Russian nesting dolls, it all fits together. Pops this into place. Really cool. And then again, just slide this into the canvas cover. On the back here, we have some belt loops as well. Well, now one thing about the Serbian kit is that these run $10.99. So this is a great buy. I mean, $10.99 for this kit. Doesn't quite have the mystique of some of the others and the old styling, which for a collector, this may be more appealing. I know I love old surplus military stuff, and this just trips my trigger. It's just a really cool little way to carry good quality stuff at a reasonable price. So coming up, we're gonna take each one of these and we're gonna take it out and we're gonna test it, cook a meal in it, check out all the features, and just get a little bit of a better flavor for what these are all about. And originally I'd planned on doing that with one comparison video, but I just think it's going to take way too long. Now guys, whether you're looking for these for a bug out situation, for just hiking, camping, hunting, or maybe you just like to collect old military surplus items, this is a great way to do it. They're fairly inexpensive. They've been field tested and tried, and just a really unique piece of history. And again, I want to thank Sportsman's Guide for sending these for this comparison. We are coming up and we're going to do a review on each one, taking them out, using them, and just seeing how they perform, you know, in real life conditions. And we'll probably eat a little bit too. Also, check out the top 40 Sensible Prepper items on the Sportsman's Guide website. This is 40 different items for survival or preparedness, and they are either items I recommend or items that we are going to be testing right here on video. So go to search, put in Sootch 00 or Sensible Prepper, and it should take you right to the page. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic. This kit on survival, and this kit on survival, and this kit on the, and this kit, and also check out the Sportsman's Guide top 40, and also check out the top 40 Sootch items, and also check out the top 40 Sensible Prepper items on the Sensible. And these are items that I either recommend or eat. And these are either items that I recommend or items that we're going to get ready. And these are